Hey everybody, so today we're going to be going over and reviewing. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on the Samsung infrared remote. So I did lose the original remote to my TV, as you can see there, and I needed a new one to replace the original one that I had. So I went on Amazon, did a little research, and this thing works just as great as the original one. So pretty cool. Does have the Netflix, the Prime Video button. Very easy to use. Take the batteries off like so. Real easy. But overall very effective. So works just as is and looks and functions just like the original one. So highly recommend it.